boy. Start vlogging. Let's do something, right? So today I bought a jack. My old jack was leaking, so we went over there at Costco, got a new jack. We gotta take out the tires on this bad boy right here. We got in an accident, and it's gonna go. So it has brand new tires in it, and I have another Prius that has some bad tires. So we are gonna take all the tires out that one and put it on the other Prius. So let's get it. Man, I cannot get over this license plate. Oh, it is so beautiful. Car's a little dirty. Man, this jack is just so beautiful, dude. Bro, I was looking at this jack at Costco for like weeks, man, weeks. Really wanted this jack. Maybe this gonna double down as a review. Maybe, I don't know, let's see. Oh my God. Dude, look at that. Instructions, we don't need that. Dude, look at this. Oh man, I always wanted, every time they go change my tire, I always play with those. Always wanted to have one of those. Oh, it's a little oil. Why the fuck that oil? Why is that oily, dude? Okay. Oh my God. Oh, it's just, oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Has like a little rubber thing on it. Wait, oh, what the fuck? Is this one used, bro? Fuck, did I get a used one? No. Fuck. They mudded me, bro. They gave me a return. Oh, no fucking way, bro. This must be mudded. Oh, shit. Fuck, dude. I do not want something returned. Man, I got mudded heavily. Alright. We're gonna have to go back to Costco. Let me see. Yeah, no, this shit's bro. Yeah, I'm not even gonna. Oh yeah, no, this definitely been returned. Damn, someone just bought it and was like, nah, I don't know, spending $100 on jack. I think it's heavy as fuck too. All right, let's put it all back together. Yeah, pick up that shit now. We're gonna have to go back to Costco. Hey man, give me some return shit, bro. I don't know if it's missing something. I don't wanna have to deal with it. Damn, it's a mutt. All right, let me cut to returning the jack. So we came back, got another one. We need some water because we're gonna be thirsty. What are you doing, bro? Não, bora. Bora deitar. Let's go. Simba. Então aqui é o meu brother Diniz.
Yo, yo, yo.
2020.
What's up, San
2020.
Francisco?
Make some motherfucking noise! Woo! Thank you for watching. Completely forgot about the video, but I'm closing out right now. Just finishing up the editing. We will continue fixing up the Prius. And it's so weird recording when people are looking at you. Oh my God, oh my God, dude. Dude, this is a weird fucking feeling. Anyway, we will continue with the video tomorrow, and hope you guys enjoy. Happy 2020.